So the palette that I'm gonna attempt to use is this MORPHE 35W palette. If y'all see me looking up, I'm looking at my mirror. But this palette just has some neutral colors in it. Really cute palette. So yeah, I'm just gonna attempt to make a smoky, gold, sexy, whatever type of look. Y'all gonna see what I come up with. So yeah, I'm gonna do one eye off camera and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do it together. You know, I'm back with this eye, as you can see. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I hope you can. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now is show y'all what I did. So first I used this NYX HD high definition eyeshadow base. And so I'm gonna just put this all over my eye. Take this color here and this color right here, that color right there, and I'll be using this black color right here too. So I'm just gonna take the first two colors and use that as my base color. Brushes I'm gonna be using is this BH Cosmetics 120, this Dome eyeshadow and crease brush. I'm just gonna use this side, and then the other brush I'm gonna use is this Morphe brush. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna take those first two shades and put those on my eye. So now I'm gonna take this brush, some black, and I'm gonna just pack that on.
Straight up.
Now I'm gonna take this Morphe brush and I'm just gonna blend it a little bit. With that first brush, put a little bit more of that orange color. Don't look too bad. Okay, so I'm gonna get up close for y'all so y'all can see. Okay. So for the shade that's in my inner corner and on the first half of my eyelid, I'm gonna use this gold right here. And I'm just gonna try and pack that on. And that's that. I'm gonna just blend it a little bit with the black eyeshadow. And I'm just tapping it just to blend it out a little bit more. So now what I'm gonna do is take this black eyeliner and go under my eyes. I'm gonna go off camera and put this on my waterline and then come back. Okay, so I had to change my setup, and yeah, the sunlight is pretty much gone right now. So now I'm gonna move on to a fade. Every time that I use makeup, these are the things that I use, so I will leave them in the description box. And yeah, so let's get started.
Straight up. 30 hertz straight up. 30 hertz straight up. 30 hertz straight up. 30 hertz straight up. 30
Okay, y'all, so I went pretty dramatic with the lash. Let me get closer. So, yeah, the lip that I'm gonna go for is a red lip, so I'm gonna use this NK brown eye pencil. I always use eyeliner for lip liner, so I take this brown liner and just line my lips.
30 hertz straight up.
And this red is by Wet n Wild Perfect Pout lip color in the shade Undercover Lover. And I'm usually not a red type of girl. I like to stick to my nudes, but for this look, I went for it. And I like to go back in just a little bit.
Straight up.
This is the look. I'm sorry if I looked a little washed out. My lights are on me right now. So yeah, this is the look. I hope you guys liked this outcome. Like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I upload my next video. And until next time, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.